Assalamu alaikum. সংলাপ নিউজ নাও। Professor Saleh Naqib joins Rajshahi University as new VC. Rajshahi, September 5, 2024. BSS. Professor Saleh Hassan Naqib today joined Rajshahi University RU as its new Vice Chancellor. Earlier, Chancellor of the Public University and President Mohammad Shahabuddin appointed Professor Saleh Naqib, a teacher of the Department of Physics of the university, as VC. Treasurer Professor Ubaidur Rahman Pramanik, Registrar Dr. Sheikh Saad Ahmed, faculty deans, department chairmen, office heads, and a large number of students, teachers, officers, and employees were present at the time of joining the new VC this afternoon. This is a page refreshment of this live website. Wait, please. Speaking on the occasion, VC Professor Saleh Naqib sought cooperation of all the teachers, officers, employees, and students for making the Rajshahi University's academic and research activities uninterrupted. He also expressed his firm determination for turning the university into a center of excellence in the country. Professor Naqib expected constructive criticism for discharging his duties properly. আই ভোট, একটি স্পর্শী একটি ভোট সমগ্র জাতির জন্য একটি চূড়ান্ত নির্বাচনী সমাধান। আই ভোটের নকশা ও প্রস্তুতকরণ দুটোই হয়েছে সর্বসাধারণ ভোটারদের জন্য, যেন সবাই একটি স্পর্শী একটি ভোট দিতে পারে। আই ভোট, ইনস্ট্যান্ট রেজিস্ট্রেশন অফ ভোটার্স, instant creation of executive positions, instant nomination of candidates, instant vote event management, instant result of the vote event. This is the voiceover text of this news published in the Bangladesh Sanbad Samstha website on September 5, 2024, available through September 6, 2024. Thanks for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe if you like.